How to update Instagram on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, all you gotta do is head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the home page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, scroll down and you can see Update All. Also for the Instagram, you can see the update option, which means that the Instagram app is not updated to the latest version. So from here, you can simply click on update and update the app. If not, go back and search for Instagram. Head over to this app. Simply click on update in order for you to update. And there you go, the application will start to update on your device. Once done, you can click on open and use the application. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.